A healthy heart is the key to a long life. Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today's journey is all about unlocking the secrets to a healthier heart and a happier life. Join me as we delve into the world of cardiovascular health, exploring crucial insights, practical tips, and actionable steps towards nurturing a stronger, more resilient heart. But before we dive in, if you're passionate about living your best life and prioritizing your health, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our health-focused content. Cardiovascular diseases, CVDs. CVDs, as detailed by the World Health Organization, WHO, encompass a spectrum of conditions affecting the heart and blood vessels. These include coronary heart disease, cerebrovascular disease, peripheral arterial disease, rheumatic heart disease, congenital heart disease, deep vein thrombosis, and pulmonary embolism. Risk factors contributing to heart disease. 1. Aging. 2. Obesity. 3. High blood sugar or diabetes. 4. Elevated cholesterol levels. 5. Exposure to air pollution. 6. Overuse of steroid medications. Recognizable symptoms of heart disease, per Cleveland Clinic report. 1. Persistent chest pain. 2. Difficulty breathing. 3. Sudden onset of sweating. 4. Increasing heart palpitations. 5. Chronic fatigue. 6. Digestive issues. 7. Swelling in arms and legs. 8. Neck and jaw pain. Impact of heart disease in India. Heart failure caused 25,000 to 28,000 deaths over the past 4 years, contributing to 27% of total deaths. In the United States, cardiovascular disease led to 928,741 deaths in 2020, with direct and indirect costs totaling $407.3 billion between 2018 and 2019. Notably, coronary heart disease accounted for 41.2% of CVD-related deaths. Similarly, the Philippines identified heart disease as the primary cause of death during the first half of 2023, with ischemic heart disease responsible for over 65,000 recorded cases, representing 19% of all deaths in that period. The importance of heart-healthy habits, maintaining a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and lifestyle adjustments play a crucial role in reducing the risk of heart-related ailments. Heart-healthy diets. 1. Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, fish, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil, associated with reduced heart disease risk. 2. DASH diet. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension aims to lower blood pressure by promoting a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy while limiting saturated fats and sodium. 3. Reducing salt and sugar intake. Minimizing processed foods and added sugars significantly improves heart health. 4. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These aid heart health by reducing inflammation and disease risk. Exercises for a healthy heart. 1. Aerobic exercises. Brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming strengthen the heart and improve cardiovascular health. 2. Strength training. Builds muscle, enhances fitness, and aids in weight management. 3. Interval training. Alternating high-intensity bursts and lower-intensity exercise improves endurance and calorie burning. Lifestyle changes for heart health. 1. Quitting smoking, reduces the risk of heart disease due to damaged blood vessels. 2. Managing stress. Techniques like yoga, meditation, or mindfulness benefit heart health by reducing stress levels. 3. Adequate sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is crucial for reducing heart disease risk. 4. Regular health checkups. Monitoring blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and diabetes helps manage heart disease risk factors. As we conclude this enriching exploration into heart health, remember that small changes today can lead to a lifetime of benefits tomorrow. Let's take charge of our well-being, one step at a time. If you found value in today's discussion, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthism for more insightful content on wellness and healthy living. Together, let's strive for a healthier, happier future. Until next time, stay inspired, stay healthy.